Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 3rd, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the continues this drifting sideways that it started yesterday. Uh, it opened positive this morning. That was helpful for us. And then it went negative, then it went positive again midday, and then it sold off. Got pretty negative down here. New lows being hit the last hour of the day, but then it comes back fairly decently there and officially closes up 39 points, all of which tells me uh, the stocks, the Dow at least, are definitely going up, and we are, um, you know, still within spitting distance of those all-time record high, and I'm not seeing any evidence of selling in this overall market. Definitely a bull market, no problem there. Hey, we had a great exit day. We made a ton of money the first and second day of April. Today we made even more, and we closed out $22,000 today in closeout trades. Just terrific day on closeout. Not quite so well on our entries. We got into 13 new positions. 5 were positive, 8 were negative, and we are carrying negative $1,600 going into tomorrow. I'm not going to worry about that after a $22,000 haul, but nevertheless, we are slightly negative for tomorrow. Going into tomorrow, we'll see how that goes. I'll be watching the aftermarket tonight. Okay, let me show you 3 stocks, all of which are very interesting. Gotta show you this one more time. I've been talking about quite a bit because this was a 4-day trade, which is something we don't get very often. This is in Riot Blockchain, and this started on Friday. Uh, right, popped up there. We got it. It closed against us. Didn't look good at all on Friday. Then Monday, it put in a little energy there, but closing without much profit, or it might have even been a little negative there. But yesterday on uh, Tuesday, this thing did this huge, humongous gap. That kept us in the trade for another day, and then this morning it gapped up just a little, but it still significant there. It gapped up, and we got out on that little gap, taking $20,000 out of Riot blockchain, and this is like a couple of the huge trades we got a couple years ago. That this one stock actually carried us to just spectacular profits for the year. That was the year before last year. Last year wasn't very good. We didn't have any help from Riot Blockchain, but the year before that just had humongous profits in the stock. So I'm to get a $20,000 trade out of this. This is kind of looking back to what we've seen before in this stock. Very happy about that one. Okay, we got a couple smaller ones to show you, but they were still pretty good. This first one is Corindus Vascular Robotics. and that is CVRS. This is a new stock for us. We bought that last hour yesterday. Um, I always like last hour buys because they're almost always profitable. And we got into that. It opened lower, but then moved much considerably higher today. Looks like a great trade, and we are holding $2,300 positive in open trade equity. And then another good stock here. This is WDC, Western Digital Corporation, and we had bought this midday yesterday, closed slightly negative, and then it really roared right at the beginning of the day today. Unfortunately, it did back off quite a bit there, but at the same time, that back off doesn't really look like it's trying to fill the gap there. So I'm pretty comfortable with that. And even so, we close on the close today, we had about $2.3 thousand in Western Digital. So all around, just a good day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow trading as usual on Thursday.